Heartily welcome to my channel. My name is Sandeep Basic. I am 40 years old 3D generalist. My channel has lots of Blender video tutorial that's more than 1000 plus which make you real professional artist. In other hand this channel has GIMP and Inkscape tutorials which are more than 500 plus. I am working in small CG studio, so I make a video what I learned of my experience. To support me for continuing my work, kindly subscribe my channel and share my video to your friends and community if my video worth. Thank you, and you get ahead to my tutorial video.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my another video tutorial. So in this video I'm going to share you how to make your video a Hollywood like color grading. So you can see here this is this footage is the source footage, and this footage, this right side, this footage is after color grading. This footage is before color footage, and this image, this footage is after color grading. So to make a color grading, so what tools I'm using, this is the main important thing. So what kind of software you are using, this is not an important thing, because if I give you the After Effects or Natron or Blender or Nuke or Fusion or the Vinci Resolve, because I'm talking about the Vinci Resolve. Vinci Resolve is the very industrial standard software for video editing, for color effect, text animation. It is a node-based software. So if I give you the Adobe Premiere Pro or the Vinci Resolve, so you can't do the good quality video effect because you don't know how to do it. The main thing is, that is why I am saying you the software is not an important thing. The main important thing, what tools I am using. So this is at first I am introduce the what software I am using. So this is the kdenlive. It is the professional grade, and it is a beta industrial standard, and it is a professional grade. kdenlive made by KDE. It is, you can get it from, it is a cross platform and open source video editor software. So I am using the software. So how to the color, what type of tools I am using. At first, to make a good quality color effect, I'm using the Bezier tools, Bezier curve, exposure tools, CMYK adjust. These tools are available all software from Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut, the Vinci Resolve, Blender, Nuke, Natron, Fusion. Every software has the same tools: color effect, Lumaki, Bezier curve. So you have to learn what kind of tools I'm using. At first, to make a good quality color grading, first use the Bezier tool. You can see here. So this one, the top right corner, this is the highlight. The mid corner is the mid highlight. So if I change this one, you can see here it is a mid tone, and the left bottom corner is the shadow. This is a mid tone. I am using the first tool, Bezier curve. I am using the RGB. So if I deactivate all the things, so you can see here At first I want to use the RGB to make this video a bit contrast. So next add-on I'm using, this is not a add-on, this is a tools. I'm using the exposure. This is the exposure. So how to customize this exposure, you can see here that I have reduced the negative in numeric value and the radius value. I have customized this setting to exposure. You can see here the exposure is the high, exposure is high to I. So I do the expose value of negative. I'll scale it down. And the next tools, the CMYK adjust. So you can see here I adjust the CMYK to make the face and this hair color, make it all reddish tone. So next one I use the color effect. So you can see here these are the some color effect are available in this tool. So you can see here it says yellow blue, so I'm using the X Pro blue. And next one, the Luma key. What is the Luma key? You can see here what is the difference between this one. So I have this Luma key, so make make this shadow a bit darker. You can see here this shadow on the hair and shadow here, to make all the shadow a bit darker. You can see here what is the difference. So before and after. This is the Luma key. So their soul, you can adjust this one, the their soul tool. Slop tool. This is a slop tool. So I can and next tools is Bezier curve. So at first I use the Bezier curve. So this Bezier curve for red. So you can see here if I deactivate this one, you can see here these tools make the skin just a bit reddish. They scale up the reddish tone of the skin, and you can see here the difference. So these tools I'm using to make a very beautiful color grading of this video footage. You can see here so this is a very basic tutorial to how to make your video footages like a very good quality color grading. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video with new tips. Bye bye.